Okay. Did you can install the JDK?
Yes.
You don't have any issues, right?
No, I didn't have any issues.
Okay, then fine. Okay. Today what we will do, we will start writing one simple hello world program by using command line.
Say that one more time, please.
Command line. Command line means we don't want to use any Eclipse, nothing. Just we want to use plain notepad and command window.
Okay.
Okay. Just simple notepad and one command window. So how to write a program and how to compile it and how to see the output. After
Okay.
that, we will discuss some other things. After that, we will try to use Eclipse.
Okay.
So, some before Eclipse, right? Initially, we don't have Eclipse. So that time, all people are using only Notepad.
Okay.
Only Notepad we are using. We are typing everything manually, and we are compiling. We are generating backlash files. We are seeing the output. So we will see that kind of scenarios how to compile, how to see the output. Maybe one or two programs we will type manually by using Notepad. After that, we will try to use Eclipse
Okay.
so that you will see the difference. Like what is the benefits of Eclipse? That kind of feel you will get exactly.
Okay.
So we don't want to jump into directly into Eclipse, so we will use Notepad. That we will try to write a simple program. You will see the output. After that, we will see all those what are the possible tools. There are so many tools are available like Eclipse, Node, NetBeans, JBuilder. Like that, there are so many other tools there. We will see one by one. Okay. First, what I want to do, I want to write a simple program and I want to display my name.
Okay.
So that is my program. So that is the task. Write a program and run it, and I want to see the results as a my name, some name.
Okay.
Okay. So that is the
Okay.
program I want to write. So first, what I want to do, I will create a simple folder in my desktop. So let me create. Okay, just I created simple folder. So inside that, what I want to do first, I have to write simple program. So program means first let me open Notepad. So this is plain Notepad. Okay. So so here we need to write our coding in Java code basically. So this is our first basic task. Just we have so far what we did, just we created a folder and we have taken one simple notepad. So here what I am going to do, I am going to write a simple program. But today what we will do, we will try to remember whatever I am typing, just try to remember as it is all the words. So day by day you will get to know each word there is a meaning basically. So day by day you will get to know everything what is the meaning of each word? First day maybe you will not get everything, but every day, 1 minute, day by day, you will get everything. Meaning every word is having a meaning. Slowly you will get to know everything. Okay.
Okay.
So first, right? Let me start with public. So public is a keyword of Java. There is a meaning for this one. You will see it later. See, public is a keyword and class is a keyword, and this is your file name. Program name basically. We need to give some name, right? You see, for every human being has a some name, correct? Similar way, what a code or file you are writing, so we need to give some name. So our file name we are going to give as a sample. So first, what we do? Let's save this file. Save it. Save as sample, and I'm going to save this file as a sample.java. So there is so many file extensions, right? Like the doc and the text.
Yes.
Correct, Excel, CSV. There are so many files. So in this case, whenever you are writing your piece of code, right? So we have to save that file as a .java. So file name you can do anything, and the extension should be always .java.
Okay.
So you can do file name anything, but the extension should be .java.
You
Okay.
said action?
Extension meaning this one
Okay.
dot. Okay. So
Okay.
you should not give text. You
Got
should not give dot. So you have to give always .java.
Okay.
It's clear, right? This point.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to save this file with .java.
Mm-hmm.
Let me save it first. Yes. So now the file is saved. Sample. The extension you can see here, Java file.
Mm-hmm.
So for what I did, just I created a simple class.
Yes.
Public class sample.
Mm-hmm.
Public is a keyword and class is a keyword and sample is a variable name. You can give anything.
Mm-hmm.
It's good whatever name you are giving. With the same name, try to save the file name.
Okay.
Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to open command window from this location. So because we already did Java home and path, right? So you can able to open command window from anywhere and you can able to use the Java C and Java commands. Correct?
Okay. Yes.
So now what I will do, let me open command window from this location. What I will do, shift right click. So you will get this menu and select open command window here. So the command window will be opening from here. Okay. Now what I want to do, first your program is ready. Correct? So this program we can able to read, right? We can able to, this is plain English, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So we can able to read it. So, so this we have right, like last time we have already installed JDK JRE, correct?
Yes.
The purpose of JDK is to develop the program, correct?
Mm-hmm.
The second purpose is JRE. What I told JRE also we installed, correct?
Yes.
So what is the purpose of JRE? So JRE, what it will do, it will execute your program and it will give the results to you.
Okay.
So there is a two parts in your Java software. Okay, one is JDK,
One is Jerry.
JRE, correct. Okay, JDK and JRE. So
Mm-hmm.
what is the purpose of JDK? To develop the program,
Mm-hmm.
and JRE is, so whatever you develop in the program, so this is the input for
Execution.
JRE and it will give the output.
Okay.
So that is the purpose of JDK and JRE. Okay.
Yes.
Now just we written the program. Now what is the, now we have to use JDK and we have to compile, meaning we need to generate a new file to give the input to the JRE, correct?
Yes.
So the input for JDK is Java file, correct? Java file we have already ready, correct?
Yes.
Java file is ready. So we need to give the input to the JDK and JDK will generate that class file. So that is the input for JRE.
Mm-hmm.
JRE will take input as a data class file and it will give the output.
Yes.
So now you understand, right, what is the purpose of JDK and what is the purpose of JRE.
Yes. Yeah.
So Java file we developed manually. Now we have to use JDK. So we need to generate a data class file and that data class file we have to give input for JRE. So JRE will give the output.
Yep.
Now we go back to our window. So now what we will do, we need to generate dot class file, right?
Yes.
So this dot class file we need to generate by using JDK.
Mm-hmm.
Now let me write a command. So for that purpose, what we have to do, we have to use Java C. So this Java C, if you go to your JDK location, where you install JDK, Java, JDK, so bin is there, correct?
Yeah.
If you see here, if you observe very closely, you will see a command called Java C. You see this?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So this location we have already configured as a path.
Okay.
So because of that, you can able to access this command from anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
So you no need to come to this location. We have already configured this location as a
Yes.
path. Because of that, I can able to access this Java C from anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yes.
So for Java C, the input is your file name. What is your file? What you have written? Sample
Mm-hmm.
dot Java. Correct?
Okay.
And
Yes.
just press enter. So Java C is not recognized. C,
You saved it in did right, no? Last time?
that is fine. Anywhere is fine. No problem.
Oh, okay.
Yesterday there is another class. For another field, I have removed. Go back to path. Yes, if you see here path, there is no bin variable point. So this is the path.
No.
Did you see anywhere bin here?
No.
So this is JRE
It
bin. So this is something
bin
Maven.
bin.
Yes, BIN.
Yes, after JRE.
This is the, and now we need to verify this location, correct? Now we have a bin, but we need to verify in this bin whether Java C is there or not. So let me go
Okay.
to this location. So this is the way to debug if you have any issues.
Okay.
So now open it and open your browser. Go to the location. You see here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Did you see any Java?
Mm-hmm.
Java is there. There is no Java C, correct?
Yes.
There is no Java C. So that's what you are not able to find.
Okay.
So originally the Java C is available in this location.
Mm.
Here if you see here, right? So you will see Java C is there, correct? So we
Yes.
have to find this location. Then we can able to access this Java C. So
Mm.
from the environment variables, see, okay, okay. So whenever you are modifying your environment variables, you have to open new window. Then you will get the changes. Otherwise, you will not get changes. Now it is working,
Now
right?
it's there. Yes. Mm-hmm.
So meaning that whatever path we had given in that path, there is no Java C command. So that's what
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
we are not able to get it, correct?
Yes.
So if you are dialing a number from your cell phone, so that
Mm-hmm.
phone number should exist somewhere, right?
Yes.
If you type 1234, if you dial it, what will it? It's an invalid phone number, correct?
Yes.
The same concept here. Whatever if you configure some location which is having Java C, then you can able to access it. Otherwise, you are not able to access it.
Yes. Correct.
Now Java C is working. Now we need to give input for this one is so Java C is part of JDK basically.
Mm-hmm.
Correct?
Yes.
I'll show you that again. So Java C is part of JDK. So we are using indirectly JDK now. So to compile our program. So this is JDK. JDK bin, correct? So here we will see Java C.
Mm-hmm.
So Java is having two parts. One is JDK and another one is
JRE.
JRE. So for right now we are using JDK. Inside JDK we are using, there is so many files are available. So inside bin we have these commands. So indirectly we are using Java JDK to compile our program.
Yes.
Please now open this command window and keep this window one side and keep this program on the other side. Now I am using JDK and I am trying to compile my program sample.java, and right now here only one file is there, correct?
Yes, only one file.
Okay, let me press enter button. Did you see it?
I see sample class.
Yes, there is another sample that class is separated.
Mm-hmm.
So now you use JDK, task is over, correct? So this task is over. So this task is over, correct?
Yes,
So
JDK part is over.
yes, you develop a Java program and JDK is using the Java file and it compiled it, it generated that class file.
Yes.
Now what we have to use JRE and we have to see the output.
Okay.
Now the second part is pending. Okay. Now come back to our program. To see the output, right? So far we have not written anything here. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
We need to write. Initially our task is we need to see our name, correct? So that is the output we are expecting.
Mm-hmm.
So for that to see the output, we need to write some more logic. So
Mm-hmm.
what is the logic? Static, static, main.
Mm-hmm.
So for time being, you try to remember as it is. So slowly you will get to know for every word is having some meaning.
Okay.
Okay. Now public static void main. So what is this public static void main, right? So whenever you are running your program, so the first whatever lines are available in this public static void main, all these lines will be executed one by one.
Mm-hmm.
It is kind of trigger basically.
Mm-hmm.
If you are running your program, it will start from here. Say for instance, here line number 1 is there,
Mm-hmm.
and here line number 2.
Yeah, it's like a main door of a house, correct?
Correct, correct. Yes, it's kind of main door, you can say indirectly. So you are not, if you total want to enter into your house, you have to enter only the main door. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
You
Mm-hmm.
can enter, the thieves can enter in different way, but it's illegal.
Yes.
Correct. So the program will start execution from main.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the purpose of this public static void main.
Okay.
So inside that we have to write our task. Our task is what we want to see. We want to display our name or something. Okay, let me display. How to display some name. So for that we have to write system.out.println. So here you can write. Let me write. I will display.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the name I want to display.
Mm-hmm.
System.out.println. So what is the purpose of this one, right? So if you want to display something, we have to
Mm-hmm.
use it. We have to use it.
Mm-hmm.
Slowly
Mm-hmm.
you came to know every word here I told you, right? Public is a keyword, static is a keyword, void. Every word is a keyword. So we came to know slowly one by one what is the purpose of the word meaning.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The time being
Okay.
you can remember public static void main is a kind of a trigger or entry for your
Mm-hmm.
program.
Mm-hmm.
It is an entry for your program, and inside that whatever you are writing, so that will be the results.
Yes.
Okay. Now your program is ready, the logic is ready, correct?
Yes.
Now come back here. So now to run this program, what you have to do, you have to use JRE, correct?
Yes.
Okay. For JRE, to use JRE, we have to use a command called Java.
Mm-hmm.
So this Java also is part of bin. You see your bin, right? You
Okay.
will see Java. Did you see this?
Mm-hmm.
Basically, we are trying to access this exe file.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
We are using this exe file, and the
Mm-hmm.
input for this one is the generated dot class.
Mm-hmm.
Correct? Dot class is already there in this location. Correct?
Okay. Yes.
So now let me give sample and press enter. Did you see here? There is a error.
Main method not found, it
Correct.
says.
Why? What is the purpose of cleaning? First time when you compiled our program, so that time we have not written this logic. Correct?
Okay.
We have not written this logic, meaning we have compiled first time our program only by using first line and last line. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
So the dot class file is having only first line and dot line, last line. It don't have these three lines. So we need
Mm-hmm.
to regenerate our dot class file again. Correct? We have modified
Yeah.
in between, right?
Yeah. It's a lot of back and forth, back and forth.
Yes, yes. Whenever you are modifying your .java file, you have to recompile it, your
Mm-hmm.
.jar file, and we need to regenerate new dot class file.
Mm-hmm.
So let me regenerate our dot class files again. So meaning I'm going to use my JDK again back. Why? Because I modified my program, correct?
Yes. Yes.
So whenever you are modifying your .java file, you
It's
have to
JDK.
use,
Yeah.
yes, you have to depend on JDK and regenerate again new file.
Mm-hmm.
So now I'm using JDK and I'm
Mm-hmm.
trying to generate. So there is a some syntax error. What is this? SOSTVM system package does not exist. Yes, there is a spelling mistake. So spelling mistake is system.
System. Yes.
Yes. So correct it. So how do you know this one system spelling mistake? So basically, so we are using JDK, right? So JDK is having all these keywords.
Okay.
So whatever you are typing, it should be a valid keyword from JDK.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
So if you type XYZ, right? If you
Mm-hmm.
type here XYZ, it will say XYZ is an invalid keyword. We are not able to recognize it, will say.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The similarly, system is a keyword. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Previously,
Mm-hmm.
what I did, I did a mistake SYTEM.
Mm-hmm.
Then
Yes.
what it's saying, it's an invalid keyword, does not exist, it's saying.
Yeah. Yes.
Now
Because
I
in JDK there is nothing such like
correct, there is
system.
no
Yeah.
such kind of keyword.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what it is saying.
Yes.
Now I corrected it. So what I have to do again back, I need to compile it.
Mm-hmm.
So now the last compiled version is at 7:16 a.m. correct?
Mm-hmm.
And now the current time is 7:24.
Yes.
So this is very very old class, huh?
Yes.
Now let me recompile it. So the compilation is success, and if you see here, right, the latest compiled version is with 7:24.
Mm-hmm.
Compiled with just now itself, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Now JDK part is done. Now we have to use JRE.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We need to do input to the JRE. So how to do input JRE? By using Java
Java.
command. So Java
Mm-hmm.
is already there in bin. So bin we have already configured this location as part
Mm-hmm.
of your path. Okay?
Okay. Yes.
So now let me go back here. So how to do inputs? Java is the input sample. You no need to mention that class here.
Mm-hmm.
It's not required. So it is not required. So just mention sample. So sample meaning it will look for dart class file. Now
Mm-hmm.
Java file is not required in our case. So because JRE required only dart class file. Correct?
Okay.
So
Yes.
Java says your file dart class file name and press enter. Again,
Mm-hmm.
you see here there is something is mistake. So it's saying
Mm-hmm.
main method does not all is before static void main string. Passport issue. Public static void. Yes. So here, right? You see this
Uh-huh.
public static void main. Main is a keyword, but here it is not a valid keyword. It is not a fully qualified name. So here we need to add full
String.
or so this is the fully qualified name. Not
Mm-hmm.
even partially. So that's
Yes.
what JDK is not able to identify.
Yes.
So these are the issues you will get first time.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So initially you have given only main. I have not given string words, correct?
Yes.
So that's what JDK is telling. It's invalid name. It's not a fully
Mm-hmm.
qualified name. So
Mm-hmm.
now I fixed it. Now we know what we have to do. We have to recompile it again, correct?
Yes.
So now you are modifying your Java file. You have to recompile it always.
Mm-hmm.
So now let me write Java C sample dot Java. So compilation is success, correct?
Okay.
Compilation success, and your file is generated at 727 MB.
727. Yes.
So now what we have to use again that Java
Mhm.
sample press enter.
Okay.
So finally you are seeing.
Course founder. Yes.
So this is the way
Uh-huh.
use JDK and JRE.
Okay.
So whenever you are running Java, right? So it will what it will do. JRE will take this dot class file as an input.
Mm-hmm.
It will take JRE will take dot class file as an input, and it
Mm-hmm.
will generate the output. Correct?
Yes.
But
Yes.
behind the screen, right? There is so many things is happening. If you see your car, right? So you will see only steering, uh, brake and all, right? So if
Yes.
you open your front door of your car, it will see lot of engine parts, correct?
Yes.
In the similar way, in JRE also, as part of your JRE also, there is so many dependent things are available. If you want to see that one, I will show you. Let's go back to your JRE part. So this is your JRE, correct?
Yes.
To execute your program, it needs lot of other environment.
Okay.
All these environments should be available here. See, if there is so many other, this is called executable jars are available. These are the dependent. So JRE will use all these jars basically.
So when you are saying environment, you're referring to different jar files, right?
Yes, JRE will use these jar files indirectly, backend side.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So that's what we need JRE.
Mhm.
JRE need only to see the output. If you have a dot class file, you can use the Java command and you can able to see the output.
Okay.
So lib is having so many help files. So these files are available for these files are required badly for JRE.
Okay.
So this is the main purpose of Java JDK and
Mm-hmm.
JRE.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go back to JDK. So now you understand that what is the purpose of bin.
Yes.
Bin is having a lot of set of commands.
Okay.
Java, Java C, all the things. Correct?
Yes.
Now go back to most. You see here, right? You see here lib.
Lib.
Lib means libraries. What is the purpose of this folder really? So JDK also needs some kind of environment or some kind of supported files.
Uh-huh.
So that file should be available under
Uh-huh.
JDK lib folder.
Mm-hmm.
See here, the main lib folder here is
Mm-hmm.
yes tools. So this is one of the major supporting file for JDK.
Mm-hmm.
JDK is mainly depending on these tools. So
Mm-hmm.
these tools can able to recognize this tool
Mm-hmm.
is having all the keywords.
Mm-hmm.
Like whatever we are typing previously, like public static void there. So all the
Mm-hmm.
tools are available in this jar. So by using with the help of these tools, it can able to recognize whatever you are typing here, it's a valid or invalid.
Mm-hmm.
So that is the purpose of these libraries.
Okay.
Now, say for instance, now I have included some other word. I modified my program.
Okay.
If I ran directly Java sample, because I'm getting the results.
Mm-hmm.
I'm running again.
Yes.
I'm getting the results. Technologies.
Not the rest.
We are not getting the recent changes. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because we need to recompile again. Correct?
Okay.
So let me recompile it. Now just now I recompiled it.
Mm-hmm.
And if you see here, is bin folder meta generated 731.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have a latest dot class. Now what I will do, I am going to delete this file. Let me keep somewhere. I am going to delete the
Mm-hmm.
.java file. Did you see here? Did you see .java file here?
Mm-hmm. You Java sample. Now it comes to the course founder technology.
But did you see any .java file here?
No.
So now we are not depending on the .java file. We need only dot class file, correct?
Yes.
Now what I will do, I will give this dot class file to you. You can able to run from your machine also.
Okay.
So now you also no need dot Java file. You need mainly ultimately you need only dot class file.
Okay. Okay. So
You
it's like
can
a lot of back and forth, back and forth. That's why that's the reason they came up with the
yes
Eclipse, I believe, right?
yes. This is very difficult to see compile to see the
Uh-huh.
keywords and all right. Every time
Uh-huh.
we have to type like Java. So this is a manual step, meaning some almost some 12 years before, right? We don't have this kind of Eclipse all this.
Mm-hmm.
So we are developing code like this, simple notepad and simple command window.
Okay.
But nowadays we have everything, so we are not using this. Nobody is following this approach.
Mm-hmm.
Just
Mm-hmm.
to understand something,
The background, yes.
one simple program I type. See, just to write one single hello world, how much time is spent? Almost 33 minutes.
Almost 30, more than 30 minutes, yeah.
33 minutes is spent.
Mm-hmm.
Just there is no complex logic. Just to see one hello world kind of
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
almost half an hour.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the you can say disadvantage of using Notepad and Companion.
Mm-hmm. Disadvantage, okay.
Now come back to this one. Now we are not using dot class file, correct? Every time we are running dot class file and we are seeing output, correct?
Yes,
So
correct.
ultimately we need this one, right? We need to see output.
Yes.
Now I can view this file as part I can able to set this file as part of email and we can able to use this dot class file and we can able to see the output.
Okay.
You can use anyone. You can use Windows or Mac or Unix. It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. You can use any platform. You can use the dark class file. Whatever I generated from my machine, you can use in any operating system. You can able to see this output.
Okay.
So this is the beauty of Java.
Okay.
Meaning you can compile one time and you can run n number of times.
Oh, I see.
How many times I compiled here? Only one time, right? The final
Mm-hmm.
file.
Yes.
So that is the this is the one time compilation, correct?
Java sample Java. Yes.
Java C, I executed
Mm-hmm.
one time. And how many
Mm-hmm.
times so far I have executed?
Like seven,
Some
eight.
seven, 8 times.
Yes.
I'm not depending on Java file right now. Do you see any Java file here?
No.
I don't want because I have a dot class file.
Yes.
Ultimately, I need dot class files, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So no
Yes.
need to depend on dot Java file.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So this is the benefits of Java basically. Why we need to use Java only? We have so many technologies like Python, C, C++,
Mm-hmm.
COBOL, correct?
Mm-hmm.
We have so many technologies. Why we need to go for only Java? If someone will ask, right? So you
Mm-hmm.
can tell straight away, compile one time and run in number of times. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
I compiled one time, and every time I'm just running and seeing the output. Correct?
Yes.
So this is one of the major benefit of Java. And the second benefit is platform independent. Meaning, I compile the program by using Windows environment. Correct?
Uh,
But
uh-huh.
if you want, you can able to use the same .class file in Mac operating system or Unix or
Okay.
anywhere. You can able to see the
Mm-hmm.
output. Same output. There is no difference in the output.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Meaning, it is a platform independent.
Can you repeat that one more
Yes.
time?
Yeah, I will repeat. Now the program is developed by using Windows operating system, correct?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And the compilation also happened with help of Windows operating system.
Correct. Mm-hmm.
Because right now currently I am using Windows. Now,
Definitely.
yeah.
Yes.
Now what I will do, I will send this file as part of email to you. You can run this program by using MacBook.
Mac. Okay. I see. Yep.
It will work 100% and you will get same output.
Okay. Got it.
So meaning it is like a cross-platform usage. Cross-platform. Meaning it will not depend. There is no condition like if you compile the program in Windows, you have to use only Windows. There is no such kind of condition.
Okay. Okay.
So you
Mm-hmm.
compile in Windows or Mac, you can run any operating system, doesn't matter.
Okay. Got it.
You got it right? So,
Yes.
so if you see, I will tell you one simple example to make it more sense. So if you see Apple phone, Apple having its own app store, correct?
Mm-hmm.
You see Android phones, Android having its own app store.
Yes.
So does Android apps you can able to install in iPhone?
No.
Okay. Correct, we are not able to install. This is called platform dependent.
Oh, platform
De-
independency. Okay.
Dependent. Apple,
Dependent. Yeah.
yes,
Yes.
Apple apps cannot be installed in other
And
phones like Samsung, Motorola. You are not able to install.
yes. Yes. Correct.
So they are trying to create their own dependency.
Uh-huh.
If you see this Android apps, right, you can able to install in any phone except iPhone.
iPhone.
Correct? You
Yes.
can able to
Correct.
install in Samsung, Motorola. There are so many other brands is available. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
So this is called platform independent, you can say on the right way.
Platform. Okay.
So
Okay.
here also you can say you develop in Windows and you can able to run in anywhere. Even you can
Got
able
it.
to run in Mac also.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
this is called platform independent.
Mm-hmm.
It's not depending on any platform.
Got it. Yes.
Clear, right?
Yes.
So
Clear.
these are the if you go for interview they will ask these questions. What is the why you are using only Java basically?
Mm-hmm.
Why
Mm-hmm.
you are
Mm-hmm.
not using C,
Mm-hmm.
C++, basic, Cobol. There is so many Python. There is so many more technologies is there. Why you are not using the technologies? Why you are using
Yeah.
only Java? Why you learn only Java?
Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm just curious. I'm not from a IT background, but I was
Oh,
just wondering for the Mac.
mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Most
Mm-hmm.
of the language are based on what? Not Java, I believe. Correct.
Oh, what?
Android.
Android is based on Java.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And
Uh-huh.
Mac, what are you said, right? Mac also they have their own programming language.
Oh, okay.
Like
Okay.
Android, and Android is developed by using Java.
Uh-huh.
And if you see this Windows operating system is developed by using .NET.
Uh-huh.
In the similar way, Mac operating system they have their own programming language.
Okay. Okay.
So Windows, so this Windows, if you see this Windows operating system is
Mm-hmm.
developed by using .NET.
.NET.
Yes,
Okay.
.NET. It's a
.NET.
different technology, and also they use partially Java also.
Okay. They use partially Java,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes. It is that Java also they use. So how can I say exactly they use .NET or
Mm-hmm.
if you go for program files?
Mm-hmm. Because sometimes the interview they ask me the the things you will be working on, what is the
Mm.
language. So I sometimes say Java,
Yes.
and they say no, it's .NET or something. So then I
Uh,
get confused, you know.
yes, yes. There is so many technologies are available. Like
Mm-hmm.
I said, right? Java, what technology, .NET, Python,
Mm-hmm.
COBOL, C, Java, C++, like this. There's so many technologies.
Mm-hmm.
Initially, now we are trying to learn Java, correct?
Yes,
And the
definitely.
C, C++ also technologies. It's a kind of old technologies. So we will
Okay.
see advantage. First, we will see what is C. You heard about C?
Yeah, I heard like as a language, but
It's
I
a
don't know
language.
much. Yeah.
So what is the difference between C and Java? Now, Java, you got some idea, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
now you go back to the C, right?
Mm-hmm.
So C also a kind of programming language. All these are programming languages.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Every language is having its own specifications.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
C is mainly depending on the hardware system.
Okay. You
Hardware
said
means
hardware system?
yes, hardware meaning if
Okay.
you hardware system meaning you need to understand what is your hardware, what is the
Mm-hmm.
size of your RAM, what is your bit size, 64 bit or 32 bit.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
all those things you need to understand if at all you want to write a program in C language.
Oh, good, good. Okay. I'm learning. Yes.
You need to understand your hardware system, otherwise you are not able to code properly.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But to write Java program, does we consider anything?
Java.
We don't
Java.
care about what hardware you are using, correct?
Yes, we don't care. Yep.
So meaning C is a hardware dependent language.
Mm-hmm.
But
Mm-hmm.
whereas Java, you don't need to care about what hardware we are using, correct?
Yes.
If you take about your phone, right, some people are using 512 MB RAM, some people are using 3 GB RAM, correct? But still,
Mm-hmm.
the same program is running everywhere, correct?
Yes.
You see,
Correct.
WhatsApp is developed with Android. Android indirectly is in Java, meaning so the same WhatsApp application is running in all kind of phones, correct?
Yes.
It
Yes.
doesn't depend on what kind of hardware you are using.
Okay. Okay.
So that is
Okay.
the main difference
Uh-huh.
between Java and C.
Mm-hmm. Java.
C is very powerful because it is trying to interact with hardware.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Okay. It's
that's
more
why
like hardware based. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
yes, if you see your aircrafts and all right, aeroplanes and all right, so they
Uh-huh.
will use C language back and side. But the coding is very difficult. To
Mm.
write a program in C language is very difficult. You need to understand the hardware system.
Oh, I see.
But if say for instance to display the output, it is
Mm-hmm.
taking maybe 10 milliseconds. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Just
Mm-hmm.
assume 10 milliseconds
Mm-hmm.
to give the output. If you write the same logic in C language, it may give output in 8 or 7 milliseconds.
Mm-hmm. Okay, got it. Got it. I just have one more quick question, if you
Mhm.
don't mind.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Then what is HTML then? It is also in language, right?
Yes, that is also a language. So right now, see now if you want to see the output,
Uh-huh.
I have to share the screen to you, correct? Otherwise you are
Yes.
not able to see the output.
Uh-huh.
If I'm not sharing my screen, you are not able to see the screen, correct?
No. Yes, correct. Yeah.
So say for instance, you don't want to see, I don't want to share my screen. I don't want to share my screen.
Okay.
So what we have to do, we have to develop like a HTML. Okay, HTML, you have to develop HTML. This is also one technology. So what this HTML will do, it will talk with
This
your.
is a technology, but this is not a language, correct?
So this is also one language. Yeah, HTML,
Okay.
hypertext markup language.
Uh-huh.
HTML,
Mm-hmm.
hypertext markup language.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
HTML will talk with your Java program,
Mm-hmm.
and it will get the output and it will display to the users.
Oh, I see. Mm-hmm.
So HTML means if you take your, let me take one simple www.
Mm-hmm.
So this is my website, correct?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
See what is this? What do you see here?
That's the link URL.
Yes, it's a link URL. And what is the file? This one, HTML file.
HTML, yes.
So I want to display some, I want to set, actually my intention here is, I want to send the course content to you. But
Of course, yeah.
so that is my main intention, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So every time I don't want to send email, so that's what I'm keeping all of my content in a file, and I'm registering the file so that people can able to see from anywhere.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now this file can able to see, people can able to see from anywhere, right?
Anywhere, yes, correct.
So backend side it is using Java everything.
Okay.
So backend side this HTML file is interacting with Java and getting the output and it is displaying to the users.
Oh, I see.
Got it, right? So
Yes.
this is the front end technology.
Front-end technology, you said, right?
Front end, yes.
Mm-hmm.
This
Is
is
it
the front
similar to GUI?
GUI also. GUI is this entire thing is called as a GUI.
Okay.
User interface.
Mm-hmm.
User interface.
Mm-hmm.
It's UI technology, user interface.
Mm-hmm.
Because user can able to see nicely the output, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
user don't like this kind of thing, right? He don't want to see these
No.
commands, DC users, then he don't want to see
No.
all
They don't
those things.
want to see.
He
No.
want to see finally this fancy output, right?
Yes.
Backend side, you can do whatever code you want to use. You can use Java or .NET, doesn't matter.
Mm-hmm.
Finally, you want to
Mm-hmm.
see some fancy results.
Mm-hmm.
To see
Oh.
to display fancy results, we have to use this HTML, this UI technologies.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, here we have three kind of technologies. This is HTML UI technology, and Java is a backend technology. Server
Back.
programming. Server programming.
Mm-hmm.
So user will interact with HTML and HTML will interact with your Java and it will get
Mm-hmm.
the results and it will display to the users.
Mm-hmm. Interaction between HTML and Java. Then the user get the
Correct, correct, yes.
output here.
So user is not directly talking with Java, user is talking with HTML only, correct?
Got it. Got it. Yes.
So
Yes.
here, right, say for instance, right now I will see Java post, correct?
Uh-huh.
Now I want to see some different technology called Oracle. I want to see Oracle
Uh-huh.
post. So click here and you can see from here, you can see Oracle post.
Mm-hmm.
So
This
this
is
is
like a backend type,
yes,
right?
correct. So user is seeing only this HTML side, but
Mm-hmm.
backend side is lot of things are happening. Right? When you click the link, it is going to the Java, and it is getting the data, and it is displaying to the user.
Mm-hmm.
Correct?
Yes, correct.
So this is the basic difference between the front end technologies and back end technologies.
Yes, correct. Yes,
You
yeah.
see,
Because before I used to memorize, but I don't know what's
uh,
the real picture of it.
yes,
Once
yes,
you explain it, gets a real, I
yes,
see
yes,
what I'm doing.
yes.
Yeah.
Now, if you say, I told one simple example is HTML is front end technology.
I'm sorry.
HTML is front end technology.
Okay, front end
Okay.
technology.
In the similarly, like we have so many technologies. Front
Uh-huh.
end also is have so many technologies.
Uh-huh.
Like backend technology example is this one, Java, .NET, Python, COBOL. These are the backend technologies.
Okay.
Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
like HTML, JavaScript, Angular JS, CSS. So these are the front end technologies.
Mm-hmm.
Got it, right? There is so many technologies are available.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So HTML, JavaScript, and these are the front-end technologies to display something to the user, and these are back-end technologies.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so these two things are required for any application.
Yes. Yes.
So, but you can use anything. That is up to you.
Mm-hmm.
You can use any combination. So you can use HTML or .NET. You can use HTML or doesn't matter.
Okay. So it will go with anyone. It will go
It
with
will
the
go with
file.
anyone. Yes.
Okay.
The
Okay.
way programming code is different. HTML, Java is having its own standards, and C
Mm-hmm.
is having its own standards.
Okay. Okay. Okay, got it.
So
Got
that
it.
is up to you how you are going to select which laptop. If you say for instance, no, you want to buy a phone. There are so
Okay.
many brands in market, right? So based
Definitely.
on your budget or based on your interest, you will buy either Android phone or iPhone or whatever. Right? In the similar way, here also there are multiple options. For front-end technologies, there are so many technologies are available. You can use any one.
Got
In the
it. Got
similar
it.
way, for back-end technologies also you have so many, like Java, .NET, Python. There are so many. So that is okay.
Okay.
You can use any one.
Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. And now, so C is we can compile one time and we can run n number of times, correct?
Correct. Correct.
And it is a platform independent,
Yes.
meaning
Platform.
you develop the program in Windows and you can run in Mac operating
Mac.
system or
Mm-hmm.
Mac or Unix or whatever.
Yes.
It
Yes.
doesn't matter. It doesn't count anything.
Okay.
And another thing is it will not depend on hardware. Correct?
Okay. Correct.
So it will not depend on hardware. Meaning hardware means
Memory.
how much RAM you are using, what is your hard disk size. It doesn't care all those things.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
No, we no need to care all those things. This
Mm-hmm.
hardware or RAM, we don't need to care all those things. So this is one of the another major advantage of this Java.
Oh, I see. Yes. Yep.
So you can use 1 GB RAM or 2 GB RAM, 512 MB RAM, it doesn't matter.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm.
But and you and the fourth one is you don't need to understand your hardware.
Got
Meaning,
it.
so if at all you want to write a program by using C code, C language, you need to understand your hardware system very in depth.
Very good. Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, you are not able to write program.
Mm-hmm.
But here we no need to understand any hardware system.
Got it. Yes.
So this is one of the major benefit.
Yeah. Yep.
And another benefit is so whenever you are using this, whenever you are writing program, right?
Mm-hmm.
So Java is having its own memory management system.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So meaning, so backend side we have a JRE, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
JRE will take care of memory management system. Meaning, say for instance, if you have a house, right? Every day what you will do, you will clean your house, right?
Yes.
Someone
Definitely.
need to clean, right? If you are not cleaning, you need a person to clean the house, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, your house will become dirty, correct?
Yes.
Someone need to clean your house every day.
Yes.
In the same way, whenever you are writing a program, so there is so
Mm-hmm.
many unused things will be there, correct?
Yes.
So what you will do every day, you will take some unused things, you will throw outside, that you will keep it in a dustbin, correct?
Mm-hmm.
You will put some unused things into your dustbin.
Yes. Got it. Yep.
In the similar way, this program, this Java having some intelligence mechanism, which if it will see any unused things in your program, it will
Mm.
remove it from the
Throw it.
memory.
Yes.
It will remove it from your memory.
Okay.
Memory means from RAM.
Okay. Got it.
So if it sees any unused things, it will remove it from RAM. So it will take care of that all memory management system.
Mm-hmm.
But
Okay.
whereas in case of C, you have to take care. The programmer need to take care.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So Java will take care memory management system.
Mm-hmm.
So Java will take care all this memory management system. Whereas
Mm-hmm.
in case of C, developer, who is the program, who is writing the program, so they need to write a separate program to manage the memory.
Wow. Okay. Mm-hmm.
You got it right?
Yes.
If you are writing a C program, you have to write another piece of code to manage your memory.
It's like extra work. Yes.
Yes,
Yep.
extra work.
Mm-hmm.
But if you are writing by using Java, you don't need to care about this, how much memory we are using, what is the unused memory. So everything will be taken care of by.
Yes, correct.
Java, JRE.
Yeah, yes.
So when I'm going to explain as part of some after some days the JVM architecture basically. So every software is having its own architecture, correct?
Of course, yes.
So maybe I will explain after 10-15 days the architecture of Java. So that time you will understand everything, how it will manage memory, all those things back and side.
Okay, I
So
got it.
this is
Yes.
just only for your understanding purpose.
Okay, no problem.
So that time you will get more clarity.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, it helps. Yes.
So now you understand, right? What is the purpose of Java?
Definitely, yes. Mm-hmm.
So these are the some benefits of Java
Mm-hmm.
basically. If someone will ask, right, you can give
Yeah.
these reasons.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, I can say
So it
this.
will compile one time, run n number of times,
Mm-hmm.
platform independent.
Mm-hmm.
It will not depend on your hardware
Dependent.
system. You
Mm-hmm.
no need to understand your hardware system while writing the program,
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
it will manage the memory.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So these are some of the major advantage of Java.
Yes, yes, definitely.
So
Yes, that helps.
basically, you will get these questions as part of your interview.
Yes, yes,
So they will
yes.
ask why you selected only Java, why you didn't select the C.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes,
Then you can give these reasons.
yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Yeah.
You got something, right?
Yeah, I understand. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Now what you will do today, you try to write the simple program and try to
Mm-hmm.
compile from your machine.
Yes, definitely I can do that.
Okay. And as
Yes.
part of next class, what I will do, I will start with Eclipse.
Okay.
So I will
Okay.
tell you how to download Eclipse, from where we will download, what are the different versions, and we will
Mm-hmm.
write the same program, whatever we have
Mm-hmm.
written, simple hello world program by using Eclipse as part of next class.
Yes. Okay. Okay, no problem.
So then we will
Thank
see
you.
the difference. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
So when we are using Eclipse, we will see the difference. What is the difference between command window and Eclipse? Then you will feel what is the advantage of Eclipse.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Sure.
Okay, I will send these files and note to you, and
Mm-hmm.
just practice, and we will connect next class.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we
Oh,
will see next class.
okay. Yes, we'll meet next week. Yes.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. Have a nice weekend.
Yeah.